How to get an homeowner's insurance quote on Progressive. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide, whether you want to do it online in the application or by phone. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, you need to have the right info ready. It will make your quote more accurate, such as your property address, your type of home, your year built, your home size, your construction details, safety features, personal property value estimate, current insurance info, etc. After that is ready, you can head over to progressive.com or download the application and directly look out for this option called property and go ahead and head over there. And this is the following page. Now here we'll be finding homeowners, condo, renters, manufactured home. You can select your option and click on this option called enter zip code and click on this option called get a quote. And then we can follow up the process. Now we just need to continue through the form. You can select what kind of insurance that you would like to prefer. For example, home insurance, click on get a quote and you can follow up the process. So from here, you can continue to the form and you need to enter up your property details, view your homeowner's insurance premium estimate, and you can continue the process step by step and you will be able to compare different limits and add-ons as you go. And that way you can just go and directly contact them. Apart from that, you can even go ahead and directly contact the Progressive customer service. This number is available right here. You can tell them your property address, your home features, and any safety or security systems, and they can walk you through and give you a quote over the phone. And when quoting, you will be able to customize options such as dwelling coverage, other structures, personal property, liability protection, loss and use, additional living expenses, and option riders for valuable items. And you can just go and provide it up. And that way you should be able to get the homeowner's insurance as well using Progressive. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.